How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And here's a quick video just to give you guys the best 3 VPNs to play first-person shooters. Whether you're playing, let's say, Rainbow Six Siege, or maybe some other game, Halo Infinite, maybe PUBG, any other first-person shooter game, Destiny 2, whatever it is that you play, it's all about ping. So if you're looking for the best ping possible, and if you're like me, possibly with a few ping issues here and there, there's really one trick or a couple of tricks and tips that you want to keep in mind when using a VPN. Now, I understand there are lots of VPNs out there and it can get really difficult to figure out which one is the best choice for you. So that's why I tested a couple of dozen VPNs, about 30 VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to these 3 as the best overall. So you've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. First of all, you've got Express with over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, NordVPN with over 5,500 servers but in 60 countries, and over 3,200 servers in 95 countries with Surfshark. Now, the thing you want to keep in mind is, of course, typically VPNs will drop your speed and increase your ping, which is bad for games. It's bad for your download speed and it's bad for your latency. So the way to actually keep your download speeds, barely affected, because they're going to drop due to the time it takes to encrypt your traffic, is to use a proper and premium and reliable VPN. Now, all these VPNs do vary in budget and features and slightly in performance, but they all do perform very well, and you're going to be able to get really good speeds and really low ping, even better than your base ping. Now, there's one thing to keep in mind. You want to, first of all, a couple of things to keep in mind, rather. First of all, you need to use the best performing protocol, which is the lightweight UDP with ExpressVPN. With NordVPN, that'll be the NordLynx protocol. And with Surfshark, that'll be the WireGuard protocol. That'll be the best performing protocols in all these VPNs. Once you are set on the best protocols for ping and download speed, you want to make sure that you're using the VPN server that is closest to your gaming server. So figure out where your gaming server is, the one that you're connecting to at least, okay? And this is how you're going to be able to get even better than your base ping that's really low, that's even possibly or potentially better than your base ping. And I've tried this and it's definitely working 100%. Now, it's all about distance. So what you want to do is connect to the VPN server that is closest to your gaming server. So once you close that gap, let's say you're in Europe, and of course, if you're in one continent, you don't want to connect to another continent to play games. That never works. So let's say you're in Europe, maybe Central Europe or Western Europe right here. And let's say the gaming server is in the UK. You want to connect, or I don't know, perhaps in maybe London. You want to connect to the VPN server that is also in London. This way, you'll be kind of closing the gap in terms of distance and you will have much better ping. Now, if you're in Eastern Europe and your gaming server is somewhere in Eastern Europe, you want to locate that gaming server, look it up, whatever game you're playing, maybe Rainbow Six or whatever other game. Look it up and connect to the VPN server that's closest to your gaming server. Same thing if you're in the States or in Asia, for example. If your gaming server is in the East Coast, then connect to a gaming server that's in the same state, or a VPN server that's in the same state. If your gaming server is in the West Coast, then also connect to a VPN server that is also in the West Coast. It's all about distance when it comes to latency or ping. So keep that in mind. You do have 30 days to test out this method and let me know about your findings in the comments down below, rather. Thanks to the 30-day money-back guarantee, you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Again, they all do vary in budget and features, so figure out which one could be the best choice for you by checking out the reviews below so that you can get more of an in-depth look into the privacy policies, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, you'll also find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to take advantage of the discounts while they last. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.